Okay, so we're going to do this one from section 8.5. This is the law of inclusion and exclusion. And we're going to find the number of positive integers that are not divisible by 3, 17, or 35. And so the main idea here, well, I guess not the main idea, but one of the ideas here is that if we set a set A, let's say this is the set of numbers, not exceeding 1,000. I forget to add that part. So if set A is a numbers not exceeding 1,000 that are divisible by 3, then the cardinality of that set is just the floor of 1,000 divided by 3, which is 333. Okay, and let's say that B is going to be those numbers divisible by 17, then the cardinality there is 1,000 divided by 17. Take the floor of that. That will be, 58. And then if we look at the intersection, so divisible by 3 and 17. Well, these are relatively prime, and so this cardinality is just the floor of 1,000 divided by 3 times 17. So that would be 19. Okay, and so if I dropped to 35 here, then I would just be looking at 1,000. Well, actually, let's just do the problem now. So I'm going to follow this kind of idea, and since we're doing the numbers that are not divisible by those 3, we do so we equals 1,000 minus those that are divisible by at least 1. So divisible by 3, 17, or 35. So this will be, this is 1,000 minus, divisible by 3, 17, or 35. That's going to be 1,000 over 3 plus 1,000 over 17 plus 1,000 over 35. That's each individually. And then I just continue with the law of inclusion, exclusion. So I'm adding all of, let me put square brackets around these. So first I look at all of the cardinalities of the single sets, and then I'm going to subtract all the intersections, the single intersection, let's just say, so the floor of all of these. Let's see, 3 and 17, 3 and 35, 17, 35. Okay, I think that's it. And then add back where they all intersect. So that'll be 1,000 over 3 times 17 times 35. Okay, and these are the numbers that you get after doing all of those computations. So the floor of 100 over 3 is 333. The floor of this number, 100 over 3 times 17 times 35, is just 0. That's because actually 3 times 17 times 35 is greater than 1,000. Okay, so now this is going to be 1,000 minus 390. So our answer is 610. So there are 610 numbers that are positive and not exceeding 1,000 that are not divisible by 3, 17, or 35.